During a cruise on Cunard's Queen Elizabeth ocean liner, one of the more interesting onboard activities was watching a contractor install a new resin-simulated teak deck around the Lido pool. The steps to install the resin flooring are: Step 1. Sand the existing flooring if it is in good shape. 2. Pour the top coat resin over the area. 3. Once the resin dries, route planking lines so the floor resembles a teak plank deck. 4. Fill the routed lines with a black resin to highlight the routed lines. 5. Sand off the excess black resin, leaving the planking design visible. And 6. Apply a finish coat atop the resin. As part of the Lido pool area refurbishment, the ship's crew repainted the pool and revarnished the pool's woodwork. The routing of the simulated planking was going well until one section of the simulated planking was found not to be parallel to the baseline. As a result, it looked bad, and an inspecting ship's officer insisted that the error be corrected, which was done by reapplying the resin top coat to that area and then rerouting the plank lines. A soft area was found in the new decking, so it was dug out and patched. Fortunately, the resin surface allows for near seamless patching. It took the contractor the entirety of our 12-day cruise to complete their work, so passengers on the following cruise were able to enjoy the use of the newly refurbished Lido pool area. Resin flooring is extremely durable and can last for many years with proper care. It is resistant to most chemicals and not easily damaged by impacts or heavy loads. This resilience makes resin floors suitable for high traffic areas such as a pool surround. The finished resin simulated teak deck looked close to an actual teak deck, but of course, unlike teak, the resin finish is easily maintained and fast cleaning. As well, it provides a protective waterproof surface against corrosion. If you enjoyed this film, please subscribe and like. There are many more similar films available on my channel.